Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, fish farmers in Hill Run, St. Catherine are beginning to feel the impact of the recent oil spill in the Rio Cobre.
They have no water to run their business. Romardo Lyons has the details in this Primetime News follow-up.
Fish farmers haven't fully recovered from the July 2022 toxic spill in the Rio Cobre from Windalco. Now, here they are again, dealing with another spill. All while some, like Noel Wilson, are still waiting for compensation.
We were promised, and then nothing was being done.
Mr. Wilson was among many who said they haven't been compensated, but he, with 106 acres in production on his fish farm in Hill Run, St. Catherine, was the only one willing to speak on record. He said he was only able to bounce back partially because of
loan. You have to borrow money to start again.
Now, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says compensation was handled through the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA.
They did do a breakdown in relation to what was the environmental bond, how much money was received, and what was the compensation. So I think anything outside of that we have to look into. And, people know that we have an open door policy at the ministry. So where there are challenges, people can reach out to us at the Ministry of Agriculture.
But with millions of dollars in losses rolling over from 2022, this reality, Mr. Wilson says, is far worse.
It's a big setback because we are not growing at this time. Our fish need water to grow. We can't do anything without water. My only source of water is from NIC. Nowhere else.
There's a possibility some of his staff could be laid off this Christmas. Luckily for them, the NIC on Wednesday said there's been a resumption in supply from the Rio Cobre irrigation system.
The NIC received the approval from the St. Catherine Health Department. The NIC, as an agency of the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, remains fully committed to providing quality irrigation services to our farmers to enhance food production and bolster Jamaica's food security.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.